All right. Physically, this car just killed me. My knees are shot, my back is shot. Working on the bricks is not easy. So I'm putting the car up for sale, along with the extra set of tires and all the gasket kits for the engine, which is what I was gonna do. Valves, the two heads, and the new oil pan. And this is the, I forget what this is. So if you're in Montreal, South area, with access to a tow truck, because I don't, it's yours. Obviously it's not free, we can discuss the price. So 2016 to 2024, it was a very nice time. I love driving this car, especially at nights. You barely press the gas and it moves. If you drive like an idiot, yes, it's a gas guzzler, but you don't. You just tap the pedal and it moves. So rest in peace, 2007 Crown Victoria from the Surete de Quebec. Tigwig 0071. I give up. I'm physically not able to continue.